What's up, you guys? It's your girl Pipsicle. This video is really quick. It's for one of my subscribers who said, I'm trading on demo. I keep losing. I love trading, but I want to quit already. What's going on? What do I do? What's my advice? So my advice, first of all, let me just tell you, you are doing something that institutions, that governments, that countries do on a daily basis, that we're playing in their game, right? There are people who have had their grandparents doing this and they were taught this, right? So you and I coming in, downloading an app like, woohoo, we're traders, we have to have patience and understand you don't just get a jump in the water necessarily and you're an Olympic swimmer. That's not how that works, right? You do have to put in time, you do have to put in effort. I'm sure you know that. As far as losing on demo, thank God you're losing on demo and not real money. What I did was like super gung-ho, skip demo, I'm hopping in real money, I got this, it's all good. Well, I kind of sustained myself, maintained, this type of trajectory for a while and had some good wins, but then had some really big losses and didn't blow an account, but came pretty close to blowing an account. And so what I want to tell you is it's patience. It's a game of patience. Now, if you're working at a job, you have kids, you have a family, whatever, take this time to mess around with your demo, right? If you are impatient and you want money and you want it fast, like all of us do to get out of our crappy jobs, no offense to some of you, right? Then you have this pressure on yourself to trade, to make money fast. But the thing is you have to know what you're doing. You have to know what you're looking at. My advice would be, especially when you're brand new and inundated with all this information, pick a pair that you like and learn the crap out of that pair. Just like if you were gonna get married or go on a date or try and impress a man or a woman, learn that pair. Learn everything you can about that pair. As far as watching different traders and styles, if you're in IML, for example, there's all different teachers with all different trade styles. They're all gonna teach you something. It's gonna be your prerogative to kind of figure out your lane. What do you like to trade? What time? Whose style do you like? And just follow that and stick with it. Otherwise, you're going to be all over the place and chaotic. And so that's what I did. And from experience, what I could say is I personally, when it comes to my trades that I pick, I trade UJ. That is where all my focus goes. There are other pairs that are related to that and other movements in the market that are related, but I trade one pair because I want to know that pair intimately. I want to know how to trade that pair. I want to know everything about it. I want to stare at one chart and call it a day. I don't like to use indicators. I don't like to use all that stuff. I went through my first year of trading, trying every style, every time frame, trading even on a 1 minute, using indicators, and at the end of the day, I was like, I don't want any of this. I want me and you, UJ, and nothing on the charts but what I see. So my advice is do not give up. Watch motivational videos, watch your mindset videos. I have a lot on my Instagram channel. If you want to watch those, there's 60-second mindset videos that just really help you to have a stronger mind, to have some patience, to understand you are a small fish in a big ocean that can absolutely make it. You can absolutely make money. Trading is freaking awesome, but it's a process, okay? It's not an overnight thing. So I love you guys. Happy trading, and thank you for subscribing.